it wasn't a moment, but there was a time period where I started taking gigging more seriously and realized that I can do more than just have music pay for itself. This can be income and can be part of my living. And there are people at the local and regional level that are full-time musicians. They work at it. They work at it harder than me. The booking and the business side of it doesn't come as naturally and isn't as much fun for me. So it's always been easy for me to pull in a little bit of other work and kind of supplement my income. But it's doable, and there have been times when it was full time and things were busy enough with music that I haven't had to do anything else. But I would say, it was probably 7 or 8 years ago that I started booking enough gigs that I was really seeing enough money come in that it made a difference in my life. I don't remember a specific like moment or hump. I just remember I went from, playing a gig or two a month to playing a gig or two a week. And it kind of happened as my name got out there a little bit more. It kind of happened naturally that people were asking me to come play more. And also when that happens, it just becomes easier to call a venue you want to play at and say, I've got these dates open. I'd like to book something. And so just paying a little bit more attention to that and to the amount of money I was asking for. And so yeah, around here it's all about, there's also more opportunities. Every time a new brewery or a new, there's lots more venues than there was or than there were, 10 years ago. So there are better gigs, they pay better. It's getting easier to make a little bit of money at this.